The immediate benefit for us is to be online with the Ikea policy, which is to preserve ecological, using just water to clean the store, no use of chemical product or other detergent. Ikea is well known for its ecological responsibility, so it's why we choose chemical-free cleaning from Tennant. In this new Ikea, we got two kinds of floor. Upstairs, that's a vinyl one, and downstairs, it's a concrete one. It's easier to clean the floor because we just use the water. We don't have to mix the product, so it's always the good product we put in the machine. In the store, we clean the floor every day, in fact every morning before the opening for the customer. There's saving. We have time saving because we don't have to mix the product, and also we don't have to buy any detergent anymore. For the operators, it's more easy to use because they just have to put water on the machine. And there's a safety aspect also because they don't have to work with chemical product. That's important for us to work in an ecological company. In all the IKEA store, we have a committee which have the project to work on things to be more environmental friendly, like waste disposal, recycling the light, and finding solutions to reduce the electricity consumption. We use that solar panel to heat the water that we use in the store. That's a way for IKEA to keep ecological minding. Also, the Tennant machine help us also to clean green because we only use water, no chemical product to clean the floor. The number one benefit for us is the way it helps us to prove that we really do all we can to be ecologically responsible in all we do in the store. It's efficient, it's ecological, it cleans the floor, it's safety for the workers. It's why we choose chemical-free cleaning technology.